Hello everyone! Have you ever boiled or poached eggs and faced this frustrating situation? The egg whites break apart and become a mess. The eggs become misshapen and look unattractive. And if you're trying to poach a bunch of eggs at once for the whole family, it's almost impossible to control. Just a little mistake can turn everything into a mess in the pot. Today, I'll share with you an incredibly interesting recipe. A new twist on steamed eggs, not only visually appealing but also quick and incredibly simple. To achieve perfectly cooked eggs with a runny, creamy yolk and a smooth, jelly-like surface, no holes, no dryness, looking like a tiny masterpiece. The most special thing is these beautifully poached eggs, transformed into an essential element of a delicious salad, paired with fresh, plump cherry tomatoes, creamy mayonnaise sauce, and a touch of crisp vinegar, all coming together to create a dish that's both elegant and eye-catching, perfect for a snack or a light meal. The recipe is incredibly easy to make. Everyone can do it, even if you're a beginner. Let's get started together and treat our family to this unique salad. First, prepare 6 heat-resistant glass cups. Next, take about 600 milliliters of warm water and pour it into a container. Add about 1 tablespoon of salt and stir until it dissolves completely. Then pour this water into each cup, about 1/3 in each. This is important because the cups won't crack or break when placed in a high-temperature environment. These cups will help the eggs cook slowly and retain their shape. Next, take out the eggs and gently crack each one into a separate cup. The small amount of water below will prevent the egg from sticking to the cup and keep the yolk centered. Many people don't know that salt helps the egg white bind better. This ensures that when poaching, the egg maintains a neat, attractive shape instead of separating or becoming messy. After completing all 6 cups, gently place them in a steamer or deep pot. Arrange them neatly so the cups stand upright and do not tilt. Bring the water in the pot to a rolling boil, then place the steamer with the eggs into it. Turn the heat to medium until the water starts to bubble, then reduce to low. Set a timer for about 6 minutes. This time is enough for the egg white to soften and set perfectly. Where are you watching this video from? Please comment below and let me know. It's so great to know that we have viewers all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. It means a lot to see your support. While the eggs are cooking, I'll shred some purple cabbage to make the egg salad. Make sure all the vegetables are washed clean in salt water before cooking. Chop some more lettuce. You can't make a salad without this kind of lettuce. Next, we add some more cherry tomatoes. They have a mild sour flavor that stimulates the taste buds and makes the salad less boring. The most thrilling moment has arrived. I gently lift the steamer lid, and a plume of steam rises, carrying the rich, creamy aroma and the comforting warmth of the cooked eggs. 6 glass cups appear before my eyes, each holding a perfectly smooth, flawless egg white. No bubbles or cracks, resembling delicate golden jelly trembling slightly. The yolk, a vibrant orange, glows brightly at the center. Now use a fork to take out the steamed eggs from the cup. Take all the boiled eggs from the cup one by one and place them on the plate to enjoy. Where are you from? If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, Click subscribe below to see more kitchen tips. The steamed eggs came out with a soft, melting texture and a creamy, lightly salty flavor that's evenly absorbed, making them much more flavorful than regular boiled eggs. Now let's get ready to mix the seasonings for our salad. Let's get a bowl ready. Add half a teaspoon of salt to the bowl. Add another half teaspoon of black pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar's sour taste stimulates saliva and stomach acid production, making eating more enjoyable. Next, I add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise to the seasoning bowl. Mayonnaise is made from egg yolks and vegetable oil, providing a rich, creamy flavor that's smooth and mild, making the salad more flavorful and appealing. Stir the spice mixture well in the bowl with a spoon. This ensures the spices are evenly distributed when tossing the salad. Get a large bowl ready and put the prepped vegetables and fruits into it. Now, the part one love the most is mixing the eggs into the salad. Take a look at these steamed eggs. They're really delicious and appealing, right? Now let's cut each egg into 4 pieces. I'll leave it nearby so you can see it better. This egg dish is really great. Keep adding the egg to the salad bowl. It looks really nice. Now pour the previously mixed spice blend into the salad, and you'll have a delicious boiled egg salad right away. Add some more mayonnaise sauce, Maison. It's not just a seasoning, it's the soul of the dish, making it so appealing. That's it for this video. If you have any comments or thoughts, please leave them below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like. And remember to share this video with your friends and family. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.